In this video, we will go through the steps of identity verification and document upload at the Orbex broker. In the trading cabin, click the Continue button. Select your account type and click the Open Account button. Next, complete your personal details and choose your account type and trading preferences in Section 3. Provide your employment status and upload identity verification documents in Section 7. Click the Continue button. Complete identity verification and document upload. Select your account type and click the Open Account button. Fill out your personal information again. After completing the personal information in Section 3, you will select the type of account and your trading preferences. In the following sections, you will provide information about your employment status, and in Section 7, you need to upload the documents required for identity verification. In Episode 11, first upload a photo of your ID card or passport. Click Browse to upload. Next, upload the back of your ID. For address proof, use a utility bill or bank statement. Click Browse to upload. Then, upload the back of your ID. For address proof, use a utility bill or bank statement. Finally, upload a photo of your credit card. The photo of the back of your identification document has been uploaded. For address proof, use a utility bill or bank statement. It's optional now, but needed for deposits withdrawals. In Section 8, confirm you read and accepted all broker terms. Right now, there's no need to upload, but if you want to use this method for deposits and withdrawals, you can add this option. In Section 8, you confirm that you have read and accepted all the terms and conditions related to this broker. We click on Accept All and accept all items. Finally, you click on Save. The identity verification and document upload process has been successfully completed and is currently under review by the broker. As you can see, after one business day, the documents you submitted have been successfully accepted by the broker and your account has been verified. In future videos, we will go through the steps of depositing and withdrawing at the Orbex broker together. Successful and prosperous.